Fastest way of testing if a number is prime? I'm trying to get a fast way to determine if a number is prime using Python. I have two functions to do this. Both return either true or false. Function isPrime1 is very fast to return false as a number is not a prime. For example, with a big number. But it is slow in testing true for big prime numbers. Function isPrime2 is faster in returning true for prime numbers. But if a number is big and it is not prime, it takes too long to return a value. First function works better with that. How can I come up with a solution that could quickly return false for a big number that is not prime and would work fast with a big number that is prime?
Exhaustive division until the square root is about the simplest you can think of. Its worst case is for primes, as all divisions must be performed. Anyway, until a billion, there is virtually no measurable time, about 1.2 milliseconds for 100,000,007. Note that this version returns the smallest divisor rather than a boolean. Some micro-optimizations are possible, such as using a table of increments, but I don't think they can yield large gains. There are much more sophisticated and faster methods available, but I am not sure they are worth the fuss for such small n.
Primality tests is a very tricky topic. Before attempting to speed up your code, try to make sure it works as intended. I suggest you start out with very simple algorithms, then build from there. Of interest, isPrime2 is flawed. It returns true for 6, 10, 12. Lines 3 to 6 are very telling. When a factor of number d is found, number is updated to number equals number / d, and at the end of the while loop, if number is greater than 1 you return true. Working through the code with number equals 6.
Here is what I came up with.
Possible attempt to give value